So we are going into the Halloween store. This is called Spirit Halloween. This is the store. They already opened last week, but we did not go in. But now we are going in, and here this is what they're designed for the year. As you can see here, this is the thing. And we got some werewolves. It says here, look at that. Here we got this one here. This one's the pumpkin. Step right here. This is what it looks like. Girl.
Sometimes the other kids look right through me, like I'm not even there. But you know what?
It's Halloween time. This is gonna be fun. It's not yet crazy right now, but it's going towards the like the day of, or like a week before Halloween. It's gonna be like crazy. So yeah, this is what the Halloween store looks like here. Well, in my store though. Then I'm gonna check in with this little children section where I don't know, I'm gonna find a clothes for baby Ennis if he's gonna change his mind. For now. And the father and son.
So nice to get ahoy. Can you say ahoy?
Ahoy! You don't want the ahoy?
Look at the car.
What you gonna be, huh?
Where's the monster?
What you gonna be?
AJ.
Yeah, you get me hungry, baby.
This is Paw Patrol.
There's the fella.
Here I am. Could be crazy here.
Marshall's pretty popular.
Right
Look.
here. Yan was Marshall last year, and maybe he could be the same. He said he wants to be Marshall again. You wanna be Marshall again? What do you wanna be? How about Blaze? AJ. Okay.
You're Superman. Yeah, Rusty. Really.
So now I'm here at the comment section.
There we go.
Not so sure if I will get a costume or not. I already have costume though. And for me it looks like so expensive. It's $29 for. I think I can get a better deal online. Yeah. Good morning! Today is Saturday. Here's Yan. We're gonna go out. We have an appointment for our haircut today. So yeah, my hair is too long. Like, too long. I'm like an old lady. A trim. Maybe like, I don't know. Maybe I'll cut it like 4 inches. You know, my hair grows fast, so I don't have no problems today. No simple makeup, just powder, lipstick, and brows. That's it. Okay, we'll be right back, and we'll take you to the salon. We're waiting now for our turn. Wow. So Daddy's in there already. And I'm gonna be next. These are all the products here that they are selling. Me and Yan Yan is just here waiting. There and there. What? British? Yeah, look at my hair. It's so healthy now and it looks nice. Better for my age.
Right, said.
Now we're going to Starbucks for our morning, for our coffee routine on the weekend. Yay! Gonna order some fall drink. I'll let you know. Fall drink.
Sorry, I'm so good that I'm just waiting for Mona.
We're not gonna get that. So we're just waiting for our order right now. A vanilla wafer. Yummy, yeah? You say yummy? You say yummy? Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Now I got my drink.
No, I want to watch
Salted
Peppa.
caramel
I want to watch Peppa.
He wants to watch Peppa. Okay.